Hi guys, I'm here with another question. This kind of question is being asked nowadays, and you have to set default permission. Uh, According to the question, configure permission for a user Maxwell such that all newly created files for the user Maxwell should have read write and for group read permission and for other no permission, and all newly created directories for the above user should have read write and execute, and for group read and execute, and for other no permission. And guys, you do not have to set this permission using chmod command. You have they want the permission to be default. Okay, so you know that guys, if we set umask value, uh, then we will automatically have default permission for files and directory for this user. Okay, so as you know that for read, which is denoted by R, its digital value is 4, and write, which is denoted by W, its digital value is 2, and execute has value 1. So if we look at this, here we can see read and write, which makes 6, and for group only we have 4, and for other we have 0, right? And if we look at the permission of this directory, it makes read write and execute 7, and read and execute 5, and for other uh, 0. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a formula. You just look at this and how we can get umask. Okay, so for file we have a default permission 666, and we just want 640 for the newly created files for this user. So all we have to do, if we take 6 from 6, and it will make 0, so we have to put 6 here, and we want to make 4, so we have to minus 2 from 6, and it will make 4, and to make it 6 we have to minus 0 from 6, so it will make 640. So in this case our umask value is 0 to 6, right? And for directory, we have default permission 777, and we want permission to be 750 for newly created directories. So to in this case our umask value could be like this, 7 minus 7 makes it 0, and to make it 5 we'll have to minus 2 from 7, it will be 5, and we have to minus 0 from 7, it will make 750. In this case our umask value for directory is 0 to 7, but remember guys, you don't have to remember these values because it could be different in your exam. Okay, I'm just giving you an idea that how you can solve umask and put in the dot bash rc file. So let's go to our machine, and uh, we solve this question. Okay, so first of all, you have to check that if you have that user available. So it's available, I already created, and your in your exam you will have this user. Okay, in just in case if you don't have, you just create it and do it. Now I'm already here, so if in the exam you have to create it and then switch over to that user. So and as you know that when in the user home directory, if you run this command, you see some hidden file, right? So in here is a file known as dot bash rc. You vim this file, and put the umask value which we have just created. Okay, press the shift G, and then O, and come here, and you have to give umask value which is 0 to 6, and umask value 0 to 7 for directory. Okay, so after putting these values for umask, we will just save it. And one more thing, the you have to remember this, because these umask value will not be applied until you exit from this user first. Okay, Oh, sorry, I made a spelling mistake again. EXITV, right? So exit, and then you again log back. Max well, right? So we are here, and now what we have to do, we just have to create a file and directory to see if the permissions are being applied or not. Okay, so first of all, create this file, and then also create a directory like any name you can give, uh, like data, just data. Okay, so now we check permission of this file created. Here you can see the file permissions are 640, right? And this was the requirement. And if we, I mean, check the uh, newly created directory permission, uh, which are 750, and look here, this is 750. So it means we have done this question. Okay, so this is all for now, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.